In today's AI-driven world, designing robust and compliant architectures is crucial. Our client, an innovative organization embarking on a generative AI project, needed expert Azure architects to create detailed and compliant data architectures. We developed precise Azure AI and data architecture diagrams using tools like Draw.io and Visio, ensuring clarity and compliance with security and legal standards. Our architecture designs facilitated thorough reviews, meeting all security, legal, and compliance requirements, leading to faster approvals. With our detailed diagrams, we reduced errors by 50%, sped up compliance reviews by 40%, and improved stakeholder communication by 45%. Looking to streamline your AI and data architecture projects? Let Meta Range Digital provide the expertise you need for success.